What up, guys? CP the Tool Addict. Woo! Yeah, buddy. We got another Matco flyer, man. 5.8. Let me just go ahead and fumble this around for a second. 5.8 to 5.30, issue number 10, regions number 1318, 2021. There it is. Rat Fink tool box. I love this cart. You know what, guys? This is such a great cart. This cart right here, I don't know why. I don't know how this is not the most popular cart, but I mean, I like the Rat Fink. Don't get me wrong. I wish I had room to have 40 carts, but I like this cart. I like Ed Roth. This is just awesome. $11.99 is the price on it. Limited quantities. Just an awesome little cart. Great for somebody to start out in. Very durable. Very awesome. I'll stop babbling on. All right, let's move along here. We've got the Extractors right here. I do have a set of those. $82.95. These are the Nipec style version. Easy out. I have not had a bunch of successful luck with them yet, but you know, it is what it is. And Henry just came in to see me. Next up here, we've got a 9-piece 3/8 drive twist socket set. $142.99. We got a multi-purpose stainless steel knife. $25.99. That's the razor blade gem. Some IPA rebrand stuff here. $194.95 for the brass kit. Very important to notice that. Brass. And then we have the stainless steel kit. Brass brushes. Stainless steel. $161. Why is this one more expensive? Because it's brass. So keep that in mind. Softer, better metal, or for your more finer materials. Steel for your more coarser stuff. So let me get that in focus for you. Yeah, the steel kit. They're pretty much the same. You get your cottontails, as I call them, or giant Q-tips, cotton swabs, whatever, HD. Clean out your holes and stuff for your injector holes or whatnot. But moving right along, we've got the impacts. And, of course, Matco's got a pretty solid line on their impacts, without a doubt. $297 for the 3/8 stubby push button. 600 foot-pound pack and a punch air impact. Your choice of green, orange, or burgundy, which I personally love the burgundy myself. So we have the Matco Silver Eagle screwdrivers. Yeah, I'm not a huge fan of those screwdrivers. I'd rather just get the top Torx. They're not that much more money, but hey, some guys like them. I know a few people have them and they don't mind them. So let's move right along here. We've got some Adv sockets, and of course, if you see my Matco tool haul, I actually talked about the Adv sockets. We're going to probably bring in some Adv sockets and kind of compare them maybe on the truck one of these days, but nonetheless, we've got some long hex keys, $22.50 for the 9-piece set. 13-piece set is $29.95 if you just want some standard hexes. Big snap ring plier set here, guys. Oh, sorry, $429 for the Adv deep metric half-inch drive 26-piece socket set, by the way. Also, sorry, I didn't mean to move along too fast. I kind of just see sockets so much sometimes I forget about them. $284.50 for the snap ring plier set. Definitely not a terrible plier set. Includes 4 tip sizes, 45 and 90-degree angle configurations. Something that's not terrible to have. That set will probably do you for the rest of your life in automotive. In most cases I've seen. I've got a set that I think mine's a 12-piece, and I've never needed anything else in 20 years. So, unless you're a specialized transmission builder now. Lang retractable test leads. Guys, we've seen these come up and up all the time. I prefer to only get the ones with the magnetic backs on them. So, retractable lead with magnet, $29.95. And retractable leads with banana plugs. Definitely, I like these better than these, to be honest with you. Banana plugs means that I can put any test lead on there. So I highly recommend these. Is this magnetic though? Alligators, standard jack, 6A wound damage. I actually have never had one of these, I'll be honest with you. Never had a need for one yet, but that's because I have so many leads that I can almost make my own. Infrared thermometers, $60.95. But I have used them. They are nice. Don't get me wrong. A lot of guys like them. We've got a 300-pound capacity creeper seat stool daily bobber here. That's kind of nice. $129.95. Not a super bad price. We're still on the motor stuff here. $30.95 for the brake specification and brake bleed guide. $238 for the motor labor guide manual. If you are a guy that's doing stuff at your house and you want to find stuff, labor guide manual, this is something that's an invaluable, and this goes up to 2019, 2004. I'm just saying, like, if you're a guy that's doing DIY stuff or side jobs, think about how much time this is going to save you to look up time to charge somebody if you're doing stuff from home. I'm going to tell you, because it's not that easy to find it online. If you think it is, good luck to you. Maybe you got a better site than I do. Of course, I have access to all data and Motor Logic, so I don't really have to worry about it. And they're mobile now. And some guys might have that on their mobile, but for somebody who doesn't, one-time fee. Anyways, moving right along, we got some new portacools. Mace. We got some mace. You know, here's the thing, guys. Matco is, I have seen that they are very pro 2A. Mace, Desante, gun hide, holsters. Then we got the groove rings, silicone rings. This is obviously for active lifestyle. Beef jerky, the Wenzel's Farms. Yeah, that's pretty good stuff too. I've had some of that before. I think it's pretty close around here, from around here maybe, if I'm not mistaken. Somebody might tell me down in the comment box if you know where this stuff's being made. I want to say it's made close around here. So I'm in Iowa, if you don't know. Tools for the cause, Fisher House. So this is kind of a cool deal. Fisher House supports active military and veterans families, providing a place to stay free of charge while a loved one is in the hospital. This is kind of like the Ronald McDonald House, which maybe someday I'll tell you about my experience in that when I was a youngster. Ronald McDonald House is a huge part of my life, and there's a story that goes along with that, but not for it's. I'm not sure I'm ready to tell that to the world yet. So. But yeah, this is cool. This stuff right here is invaluable. You guys that don't know, if you've ever had to have something like this happen, Tools for the Cause, the Fisher House is a really cool organization. Really dig what they do. So, definitely something that's really neat. You know, you got your stuff right here, all donation for it. Metal art, the bear, a couple hats, shirt, you know, $25. Even buy a $1.64 sticker, Tools for the Cause. For that. Anyways, we'll move right along. We have the 60 foot-pound, quarter-inch impact, $295 for the kit here. The quarter-inch 12-volt Infinium orange kit. So, you know, I've heard a few people talk about those. Henry, you are just all wrapped around my feet. Let's move right along here. This bundle was out last year. 6-inch magnetic tray, $12.95, guys. Dirt cheap. Dirt cheap. We have the clip remover stuff right here, $121.99 for the 5-piece set. We all know these are rebranded by several companies, so let's not get into that. Clamp, for doing the clamps on your battery cables, $59.95. Some guys do their own way of doing that too. Some people say you don't need those, some people do. I personally like them. Schmack them and be done with them. Body repair kits, we have the $319 4-ton Porta Power kit, and then we have the 10-ton Porta Power kit for $469. We have a 12-ton Shorty bottle jack for $99.95, and we have some UV lights. I don't know how powerful these are, but I doubt they're probably as powerful as maybe. Let's see, it doesn't even say. No, it says 25 feet away it can detect fly. On this one's 189, so it's pretty high power. Must be a Stinger. Must be a Stinger. Gotta be a Stinger. Let's look at this. It says Optopro Uv Plus. I don't know. Must be a Matco. I definitely wouldn't do anything but rechargeable. That's in my opinion. Batteries are such a waste anymore. Just bad contacts on them and everything else. Hot tools right here. We got a hot tool flyer. We got the Jumbo Torch, $59.95. We have the Zeppo Heat Bank. $83.95. So it's Zeppo made. That's kind of like, yeah, that's cool. We have the Zeppo Flex Utility Lighter refillable, $54.95, and the classic car lighter for $45.95. You guys, some of you guys I know collect probably Zippos, so you probably want to get in that. Oh boy, the Big Easy. Man, this is my favorite tool of all time. I swear to God. This thing literally got me on so many dates, it's not even funny. I'm not even joking you. When I was a kid, I used to unlock cars all the time at the high school, and I used this thing. Dude, I'm not even kidding you. Like, if you're a young feller, you should have one of these in your pickup. I'm promising you right now. Girls lock the keys in their cars all the time. Go to the mall, hang out. Boy, I'll tell you what. You will rake them in. $24.95 for a 60-piece double-wall heat shrink tube kit. Over here we got the rechargeable rechargeable pocket light, flashlight for $64.95. Hopefully you can see that in there. We have, light and sound, LED lenser, $379. Banging, Bluetooth compatible, 2,500 lumens. That's a lot of freaking light power right there, boys. A lot of freaking light power. We have a $69.95 slim compact folding light, 300 lumens. This lights up the Matco tools, if I remember right. We have the universal clamp light for $149.99. I'm not really so fond of that deal. That actually, I believe Easy Red rebrands that, if I'm not mistaken. Micro USB pistol grip. The thing is right there, that looks like that's going to beat me in the noggin right there. I mean, I'm not a short fella, so that's, I'm not a tall fellow, but I'm not a short fellow, and when you're working on a car, I know that would definitely beat me in the head. On a truck, wouldn't be so bad if you're working on trucks all the time. Matco Apparel. We got the gray new era. We've got a Matco shop hat, snapback enclosure, racing button-up jersey, dark side t-shirts, blah, 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 Matco, Matco bar utensils, Matco large decals, some Harley Davidson, Bluetooth, yeah, all that stuff. There we go. Matco cord-free butane soldering torch. Now, I did look into this. Let's talk about this for just a second. It does start up pretty quick. I believe this is made by Power Probe, if I'm not mistaken. I'm pretty sure it is. Cornwell selling the same thing. 25 milliamps lithium-ion battery. Says it gets up to 1110 degrees. I'm going to tell you right now, in my opinion, 1100 is not enough. And you guys that are soldering, smaller wires, yes. Bigger gauge, not a chance. That's my only concern about that. I do like rechargeable. Butane sucks. I mean, honestly, guys, over the years, I've went through so many butane torches, I can't stand it. I mean, if I had the money, I could count on all these fingers right here. I could buy that one in the Milwaukee, and I would be done, probably. As long as this one lasts, I don't know. Some guys probably have them, but look, 28 seconds startup time, and then the competition takes 20 seconds. I'm guessing they're comparing that to a Milwaukee. Competition lasts 21. They're saying they last 40 minutes. I almost want to take a shot on it, but gosh dang it. I'm so invested heavily in propane torches and the Milwaukee. I just don't. So you let me know down in that comment box. I'll stop babbling on. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Remember, like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell. Remember, keep your hands dirty and your money clean. Thanks for watching.